Hey Samsung enthusiasts! Glowing star, buckle up because we have some thrilling updates on the Galaxy S25 series, including the S25 Slim and S25 Ultra. There's a lot to cover, so let's get started. Rocket. Release dates and timeframes. First, let's talk about the S25 Ultra release dates. We have two sources with slightly different yet overlapping timeframes. Source 1, South Korea, claims the S25 Ultra will launch on January 23, 2025. Source 2, US, suggests the launch will happen on January 22, 2025. The time zone difference means both sources are technically correct. The launch event is expected to take place in San Francisco, similar to the S23 series event in 2023. So mark your calendars, it's going to be epic. Calendar. What's up with the S25 Slim? Now, let's get into the S25 Slim. While earlier rumors suggested it would launch alongside the S25 series, recent updates indicate that Samsung is not releasing the Slim version with the S25 lineup. But don't worry, the S25 Slim has some exciting surprises. According to an exclusive leak from White Universe, the Galaxy S25 Slim will boast an ultra camera setup, including a 200MP main sensor, a 50MP ultrawide lens, a 50MP 5x telephoto lens, a 10MP 3x telephoto lens. This is amazing for such a slim profile. If these features hold true, the S25 Slim might replace the S25 FE. However, with such advanced features, it's likely to come at a higher price point. Camera with flash. Performance updates, S25 Ultra versus S25 base model. We've got some performance updates for you. While the Geekbench scores for the S25 base model are lower than the Ultra, there are significant updates. The S25 base model will feature 12GB of RAM. The S25 Ultra will now offer a 16GB RAM option. These optimizations could help improve battery life across all models, as Samsung is rumored to use a similar battery for the entire lineup. High voltage. Discount deals on tablets. Planning to buy the Tab S10 Plus or Tab S10 Ultra? Good news! Both are currently available at discounted prices. Samsung is offering up to $800 in trade-in value. Details can be found in the products listed earlier in the video. Money with wings. Deals on the S24 Ultra. If you prefer the boxy design of the S24 Ultra, Samsung is offering some attractive deals right now. Check out the products listed earlier in the video for more details. Mobile phone. That's it for today's exciting updates. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more updates. We're on the road to bringing you the latest and greatest in tech news. See you next time, peace out. Victory Han. I hope this rewritten script is more engaging and SEO friendly for your YouTube channel. If you need any more tweaks or additions, feel free to ask. Smiling face with smiling eyes.